Hey guys, I wanted to take the time and create a video for you today as part of an announcement, and I'm going to put it in a couple different places. And that's really what I wanted to talk to you about. So I've noticed that a lot of you are not accessing your landing pages, and this happens for every single class. So not just any of your science classes, but every class that you have, history, math, everything has a landing page. And so I wanted to make sure that you knew how to get there, that you knew what was going on there. And in particular for my core classes, I want to make sure that you understood how to complete the DBAs. So let's go take a look at that. So I'm going to go and open biology, and yours sort of looks similar, except you don't have a grading section here. And I'm going to go to the activities. And when I first open up my activities, I automatically open to the landing page. Yours should too. Right here, you're only seeing a picture of me, but if you scroll down, there's a lot of information here. How to test out if possible, not possible in science classes. And then there is some interesting things in here, like how to complete your DBAs. Look at right here. You have two options. Actually, you have more than two options for completing your DBA. This is going to be updated here shortly. Your DBAs, you have multiple ways to complete them in science. So the first one, you can call me. Please call me. We'll talk. Two, you can submit notes that you took for the unit. So the entire unit. And I don't mean just a little bit of notes. I mean, I expect you to use these on the exam, so they better be good. The third way is my least favorite way, is you email me and you tell me that you need me to email you questions. And you can answer those questions and put them in the Dropbox. My current new favorite way is called the Flipgrid. And I've created one for every module. If you go to the new landing page, you will notice that it'll be in there. There's a link to the Flipgrid for DBAs. Each module has its own little sort of grid. And what you do is you'll open it up. You have 3 minutes to create a video. There are 3 topics for you. There's usually 5 to 10. You choose 3. You have 3 minutes for this video, and you tell me about it, and you use your notes, and you're prepared for it, because 3 minutes goes by fast. And if you're doing this, I expect it to be in detail. So just like when I talk to you on the phone, I expect it to be in detail. So just another way to get that done. So you have some choice in getting that done. So the very important, I want this sort of wonderful landing page. You're going to start to see them on the modules as well. But for right now, let's just talk about the course one. Some of your classes, particularly almost all of my core classes, you're going to notice that there's an agenda up here. You should have the ability to manipulate that agenda. If you know that you're breaking a big project down into pieces, you can set that up that way using the agenda. But I actually put stuff on the agenda for you. And you'll notice on Monday the 29th, there's a little dot. And on Wednesday the 31st, there's a little dot. And if you see those little dots, like I'm going to click on this one. Oh, look it, I left you a video about what was going to be going on that week or this coming week. So please, by all means, do that. Sometimes the dot simply represents that something is due. But generally the dots represent that I have created something, and it's generally the video of what's going on that week. So please, please, please take advantage of that. You will also notice, let me open up a module here. I'm posting podcasts in the week, or each week I post them in the module that they're due. And then there's this resource module. There's tons of information here for you to look at. A lot of these, I've designed them to be videos. So if you are struggling, by all means, start using this. I want to hear from you too. I really do. I want to be able to help you. But one of the quickest ways is to go here. And that resource module is going to be your best friend. So just a couple things that I wanted to get out there to everybody. Now the Flipgrid applies to biology, chemistry, earth and space science, and physics and physical science. So good luck, have at it. I appreciate your time. You guys have a great